By nuclear transmutation, the conversion is done of one chemical element or an isotope into another chemical element. This occurs in any process where the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom is changed. A transmutation can be achieved either by nuclear reactions, given by fusion, or by radioactive decay, given usually by neutrons absorption. Natural transmutation by stellar nucleosynthesis, this is fusion inside the core, has created most of the heavier chemical elements in the known existing universe, and continues to take place to this day, creating the complete periodic table of elements in the universe, including helium, oxygen and carbon. Most stars carry out transmutation through fusion reactions involving hydrogen and helium, while much larger stars are also capable of fusing heavier elements up to iron late in their evolution. Once this point in the lifetime of the star is reached, given the star is massive enough, a stage of fusion-fission commences. Fusion in the middle layers is now possible as consequence of the increased gravitational pull of the heavier and heavier core, producing vast amounts of neutrons and neutrinos, which in turn fall to the core, and this heavier element's absorbing the neutrons, so basically the iron has now become uranium, and yet this process continues until almost everything inside the core of the star has become fermium, with 100 protons. And then, bang! A cataclysmic nuclear event happens, the insides of the star has exploded by nuclear fission. The brightness of the star then suddenly rises 600,000 times that of the Sun, while rapidly expanding. Nevertheless, heavier elements have probably formed inside the core, increasing gravitational pull, the star refuses to die, everything falls back in, and so on. The process continues, increasing the weight and rotation of the core, until ultimately a gentle black hole is formed. But guess what? The process hasn't stopped, now is happening in the middle layers, but not for so long. The gravity of the black hole is too great, massively reaching the fermium critical mass threshold for the star in the middle layers, and so, again, bang! The biggest and brightest explosion known to humanity has occurred, a colossal hypernova. Now talking about the same, one goal of alchemy, the transmutation of base substances into gold, is now known to be impossible by chemical means but possible by physical means. Basically, to change lead into gold, all that is needed is to make lead absorb enough neutrons, so it alpha and beta decays into gold. So, which is your favorite transmutation?